Hello and welcome. In today's drawing video, we're going to be drawing one of Peppa Pig's friends, Freddy Fox. So we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Let's get started. Alright, so we've got our paper here, and Freddy Fox is a cute character and quite an easy one to draw. So we're going to start off with his head, and his head is kind of like a bit of an oval shape, but it comes to a point. If you think about a fox's face, they're quite pointy animals. So we'll just start off with a point and we'll go down and around like this, and we'll do the point on the other side there as well. And then the rest of the shape is almost like a circle. We'll just carry it around, just nice and round like that. So you can see quite a rounded shape and pointy. That's where his nose is. Okay, and while we're talking about noses, we'll just put a line here. And we can colour that in as well, because he's got a black shiny nose, just like a fox. Okay, next part we'll do his ears, and again, if you think about a fox, they've all got pointy body parts, so we've got pointy ears like that. And next thing to do his eyes, well, his eyes aren't pointy of course, but they are nice and round. So we draw a round circle there, and another circle there, it's just below the first ear, and then another small circle there for his pupils. And we're going to draw another circle on the side here, just one like that, and that's his rosy cheek, so we can colour that in a different colour later. Now Freddy Fox, he seems to be quite a happy fox. He's always got a big smile like this. And do another line on the top there, and I guess let's draw a tongue in there as well, so we can colour that in. He's always happy and smiling. Alright, so that's his face. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Next part is we'll draw his body, and it's just one big circle. And it's just a little bit smaller than the shape of his head there. You'll find if you want to draw cute characters or animals, you always draw them with a big head and smaller body. Okay, so let's draw his arms. Again, Peppa Pig characters are all pretty easy arms. I kind of like stick figures for his arms and hands. You can make those a little bit thicker if you like, and then we draw the same on the other side here as well, just like that. Next part is his tail, so we've got a tail there, and again think of a fox, he's got quite a bushy pointy tail, so the shape we're going to draw for his tail is almost like a crescent moon. So do a curve going up here like this, and then we'll start on the bottom here as well, and we'll make it go a little bit thicker, and then we come around the curve and we join it there like that. So you can see that kind of looks like a moon shape. Now, again, if you think about a foxtail, it's normally orange or brown colour, and it's always got a little white tip, so we draw a little line there. Okay, and next part is his feet and legs. So let's draw a foot first. Simple oval shape like that. It looks quite a squashed oval, or maybe a grain of rice, and then just a leg, straight line there, joining it to the body, and then we'll just do the same, just a little bit over on the side. Okay, now these legs and arms in the front, you can actually continue to line into the shape of the body. It just gives it a bit more depth and shape. Okay, so there we go, there's Freddy Fox. The next part now is to colour in. Okay, and there we go. So we've finished colouring in our Freddy Fox, and I think he looks pretty good. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great time drawing. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to it. Also check out our other videos. We've got a few more Peppa Pig videos as well for you to enjoy. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!